Today I'm going to be going over algebra with you, and this is a new and exciting topic. We are going to understand what a variable and an expression is. And here are some other objectives you might want to pause the screen and read. So we're going to start off with a series of questions, and you must answer these on the activity. So I have a jar of sweets and there was a sweet. Let's watch it again. What happened there? 1, 2, and then 3. So what's happening to this jar? Well, we've got the jar and we are going to add 3. And the reason why is because 3 sweets came in to the jar. So we added 3. I have a jar of sweets and I take out 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So select what you think the right answer is. Excellent. Hopefully you realise we have the jar and we minus 4. I have a jar of sweets and I take out 20. Now that's too many to take out. So imagine we take out 20. What is the answer going to be? Jar minus 20. I have 1 jar and I double the number of jars I have. Now we have 2 jars. I have 1 jar and I triple it. To triple something, this means to multiply it by 3. So obviously with this answer, we are going to have 3 jars. If we have 3 jars, that means the same as saying 3 times jars. I have 1 jar and I divide it by 3. What is the answer? It's going to be jar divide 3. I have 1 jar, I triple it, then add 2. So the first step is to triple it. What's the answer? Triple it, and then we add 2. So of course, the answer for this one is going to be C. Now, if we have a think about this jar, how could we represent what is in the jar if we don't know the amount? Well, there's a really easy way of doing this. And what we do is we represent it by something called a variable. And this, for example, could be called R. There could be R sweets in the jar. How many sweets are in the jar? There's R sweets in the jar. So let's go over a few more examples and then you're going to have a go at some examples yourself. So before we go over some examples, I'm going to introduce you to something. And this is Nellie. This is Nellie the elephant. And we're going to say that Nellie is N years old. And this is me meeting Nellie the elephant. And this is elephant's also N years old. So let's say that we've got Nellie the elephant who's N years old and John is 3 years older. What does older mean? Well, older means we are going to increase. So if Nellie is N, we're going to say N plus 3. And you can see here, I've said to underline the word younger, older, half double. This one is younger. So instead of looking at older, we're going to go younger this time. So we're going to say n minus 4. This one is older, so it's n plus 5. This one's younger, n minus 6. He is twice his age, so we're going to write 2, because this also means double twice, 2n. Half. We're going to find half of n. Lucy is 2 times older plus 3. 2 times n plus 3. 4 times older. 4 times n plus 2. 3 times older minus 2. 3n minus 2. 3 times older plus 2. 3n plus 2. Maybe pause the screen and have a study of this and write down any key bits of information in your books. Now, for the last part of the lesson, before you do your maths watch, I would like you to have a go at these questions A, B, C, D, E and F and write your answers in the answer box. Good luck.